Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up FlySky GT5 updated. Start by powering on the radio and binding the receiver to the transmitter using the bind button and telemetry settings. Next, configure model settings, assign switches, and set fail-safe positions. Finally, tune radio channels, set endpoint limits, and save the model to avoid losing your setup. Take it step by step and test controls before your first flight. Enjoy smoother flights. Power on both devices and enter the GT5 bind menu to start pairing with the receiver. Hold the receiver bind button until its LED blinks, then confirm binding on the radio. After binding, check channel mapping against your flight controller and remap any mismatches. Set endpoints, subtrim, and servo directions to prevent unexpected movement. Finally, save the model and perform a throttle hold test to ensure failsafe engages correctly before flying. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime more enjoyable while waiting for batteries to charge, and it fits easily in a workshop bag. I use it for manuals and checklists, and it saves paper in the workbench. Please check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set up your flight mode mixes, assign them to labeled switches, and test each mode on the ground. Configure dual rates and exponential to smooth stick response while keeping full travel when needed. Calibrate throttle endpoints and program a clear failsafe that brings throttle to idle and centers controls if telemetry is lost. Save each change, test servo movement, and confirm all switches operate as expected before any outdoor flight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.